In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight a PDF. Whether you're studying, reviewing a report, or marking key points for a meeting, highlighting helps you quickly call out what matters most, and it only takes a minute to learn. First, open your PDF in a program that supports annotations, such as Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. The free reader works perfectly for this task, and many other PDF apps have similar tools. Once your document is open, give it a moment to fully load, especially if it's a large file, so the tools appear and everything is responsive. Next, locate the highlighter tool. You'll usually find it in the toolbar at the top, represented by an icon that looks like a felt tip marker or a highlighter pen. If you don't see it right away, look under the comment or markup tools. Some interfaces group annotation tools together, so expanding that section will reveal highlight alongside notes, strike through, and underline. With the highlighter selected, click and drag your mouse over the text you want to emphasize. Start at the beginning of the phrase or sentence, hold down the mouse, and drag to the end. When you let go, the text will be highlighted in the default color, typically yellow. If your highlight doesn't appear, try zooming in for more precision, or make sure you're actually selecting text and not an image or background element. If you want to change the color, right-click the highlighted area and choose Properties. From there, select a new color that fits your preference or your color coding system, maybe blue for definitions, green for action items, or pink for key quotes. While you're in Properties, you can often adjust opacity to make the highlight lighter or darker. Many programs also let you set these choices as the default, so future highlights match your style automatically. When you're done, save the file to keep your changes. You can click the Save icon or use the standard keyboard shortcut. If you want to preserve the original version, choose Save As and create a new copy with a clear name, such as Document Highlighted, so you can easily find it later. A quick tip before we wrap up. If dragging over text doesn't highlight anything, your PDF may be a scanned image. In that case, text highlighting won't work until the document is made selectable using OCR. Alternatively, some apps provide a drawing or freeform highlighter you can use as a workaround. That's all you need to start highlighting PDFs clearly and consistently. Thanks for watching and happy annotating!